Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. What day is today? It's Friday, so let's get going. Let's go inside and see what really we can achieve today. Hopefully it's gonna be something good and amazing, but let's go find out. But before I'm gonna go inside and start the day, you guys, I wanna run a video clip that I had a discussion with my lovely wife, because boy oh boy, we received the mail, and yes, Charlie, you really done it, and I want you guys to see the story and hear the story. It's super amazing and I'm really touched, so let's go and then we go inside. Hi sweetie. Yeah, what do you got there?
Oh, from R. Keller,
Okay.
there's a letter. Hello, my friends. Thank you so much for being such a good friend to Charlie. He loves the whole community. His mom says he won't work on his words in his speech therapy because he's always talking about you. It's okay because he's talking, and that is the most important thing. He's making complete sentences now. He saw
Wow.
my artist stuff and wanted to make you all pictures. It is an awesome artist. I had no idea. I'm going to see if maybe I can get him to put some stuff together for a little local show. Maybe with his classmates. If that happens, I will take the pictures. The big paper is all Charlie's drawing. For you, for Leah, and for Crow. We didn't know where to send crumbs, but I have a feeling you know how to get it to him next time you see him.
Absolutely.
We love you all. Thank you so much. You are awesome. Stay safe and well, everyone. Love, Mad Mouse, Charlie, and Mom.
Charlie, you are such an awesome young man. Ooh, look at that.
Is it a dragon?
Wow, yeah.
Is it a?
He's actually pretty good.
So we have Spider-Man. Hi, Charlie. Do you like Spider-Man?
I do. Look at that, you guys. Oh my god.
And this one, let us see. And this one, who? And who is this one? I don't know any heroes now.
No?
Who is this one, Charlie?
What?
Oh, Charlie. I got to make some Cookie Monster. I know. I know.
Oh my god. That is so hilarious. Oh my god, Charlie. You are a rock star.
I know, honey, that I already promised you that I'm going to make some cookies. But, you know, your Tita Leia is always coming back and forth to Nanaimo. And I'm really deadly tired.
Not a whole lots of time.
No time at all. And what is this? Hold on. I cannot figure it out. Oh.
Let's see.
Oh my good Lord. LoLe's OffRoad and Overland.
Okay,
Okay, hold on. There is still two more here. Okay. What is this one? Well, Chrome and Cruzy.
Nice.
For you. Hey, Chrome. Hi.
There you
For
go, bro.
guys. I'm gonna send it to you guys personally. Maybe next week if my husband is not coming home yet. Yeah, but I'm hoping he's coming home next week.
We'll see.
Oh my God, I think that we'll see is time.
Not really.
But I love this one.
There you guys have it. You know, I hope you guys don't mind that I'll put these little clips into the video, but Charlie deserves a huge bow, like a big thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I'm so happy that, you know, he's in our life.
Thank you, honey. Honey.
And Charlie, keep it up because you are actually awesome.
I love it, Charlie.
Means a world to us, you know.
I love it. Thank you, sweetheart. Thank you, honey. Thank you so much for the effort.
And thank you, Mad Mouse, too, because Mad Mouse, you
Thank you,
deserve a
Mad
big,
Mouse.
huge credit also for all this.
Yeah.
Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the show. Here we are. This is Friday. We got the most important things, the injectors, and let me take you there and I'll show you guys. These are not really cheap ones. Check this out, right? We're gonna put motorcraft back in because that's tested and we know that it's working really well. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna make sure we clean the fuel rail. We install the new injectors. We're gonna install the injectors back in here. I'm gonna clean a little bit more, so this part is gonna be done. We're gonna do a little bit of painting. We're gonna set the timing on it, and then we're gonna start dismantling, taking everything down, and we're gonna take you guys along for a ride, and it's gonna be a fun one. A little bit of dialytic grease on it, so it's easy going in.
Good morning, everyone. I think we are day 5. 4, 5, 5? I think so. Something around this.
Maybe 4
Maybe 4. We received the
injectors.
injector yesterday. So Lauren's been putting that up. I think today is going to be a lot of like cleaning. You going to pull out the engine?
Painting.
Painting?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, here I am. Let's get these injectors in. It's a little bit tough, but they snap in place, no problem. But I got a phone call, and I'm not sure how far we're gonna progress with this work today because I have to pause it. I have to go up to Port Alberni because I got a phone call from Donald and he said he's ready to see me to do all that welding for the tanks. So I have no choice. That's pretty much a priority. I have to prioritize Donald whenever he's available. But yeah, just tightening, putting all these tie down bolts in, tie them down, and this part it's pretty much done, ready to go in. And hopefully I can finish painting up the frame between the engine and all those crevices where all that dirt and rust was. That's the plan. Plus we got also the front bumper that I need to sand it down and do a little bit of touch-up paint on that too. But yeah, that's it. That's the final torque right there. So here we are, the new injectors are in, and Kelly, the boss lady, look at that. Hello Kelly, are you supervising today? Anyway, injectors are all in, they look pretty. Did a little bit of touch up on the paint, and now we are ready to tackle that guy. But I did something else. I'll take you guys outside and I show you. So we clean up the front bumper and let it dry, and then we scuff it down pretty good because there is some rust, and we're gonna put a nice paint job on it. I clean this guy, and I'm gonna wipe it down a little bit with some oil, a little bit, because I missed some parts there. But anyway, it looks good. So when we are ready to put everything back together, everything is nice and clean. And yes, Emily is doing a pretty good job. Look at that shine. But anyway, you guys, today is gonna be an awesome day, so let's get into it. Right, Kelly? Right? Look at Kelly. Hi, Kelly. Look at that, Kelly. Hi. Shall we? Yes. Let's take this down. Take the cover off. Okay. She's off, she's clean. Gonna do a little bit of painting on this. But right now, we're gonna set that timing. And then we're gonna be ready to take the heads off. No, needs more. So the timing on the 4.6, it's pretty simple, you guys. As you can see, the crank, when you see the key, it should face like 11 o'clock, and you have a mark underneath that should face straight down. You should have 11 o'clock the chain marking, and 12 o'clock somewhere there. Now you can do this without the cam clamps, but you have to be careful. So I choose, because I take the heads off, I'm gonna clamp down the cams so they're not gonna twist on me. So it's just gonna make my job a little bit easier. I'm gonna mark the chains. I'm gonna mark also the sprocket down and there once I take everything down, so I have the marks. So make sure that we don't skip a tooth or anything like that. That's very critical. But other than that, it's very simple, and I take you guys through this process when I'll take the guides out and I'll take the chains off and all that. And then we're gonna start taking the head off, and we're gonna look the cylinder walls, see how they are looking. But yes, timing 4.6 V2 engine, it's pretty straightforward, pretty simple, as long as you do the right things. cylinder 1 dead center in firing, and then you should have everything. I look at that mark there, this key to face wrap up there, and then this guy is down. There is also a tool that goes in here, locates on that pin. So I'll take you guys through all that when we get to that point. And then we're gonna mark this sprocket and this guy here. And then we mark the crank down on the bottom. And then that should be good to go. Right? So this is what we do, guys. Come on. That's that. And then we know everything is set and good to go. Well, let's make brunch, you guys, because I haven't had breakfast yet, so we're gonna have something. Okay. Let's do this. We need the knife. It's really sharp. A little bit of this, and then we make some eggs, and that's my brunch. I got lots of meat, but I got fed up with it. So. Well, ladies and gentlemen, it's Friday 4 p.m. You guys are probably a few days behind with the videos, but right now I just paused the work on Emily's engine work, and I'm going to Port Alberni because I gotta be there in the morning because we got some welding to do, so I cannot pause that because I have to go when Donald is available. And then we're gonna come back and continue finish up her thing, but I'm not gonna drag you guys through the drive up there. I'm just gonna bring you guys in tomorrow when we are doing the welding. I'm gonna show you some nice artwork what Donald actually does. So see you guys in Alberni. Well, on the way to Port Alberni, let's make a paint stop at the new shop. Let's see the progress, because I hear the boys are almost done with the painting. So
This one, man.
anyway, my friends, I'm just preparing my dinner. I'm up here in Port Alberni, but that's all I'm gonna have for you guys in this one. Thanks for riding along with me. I really appreciate your support, you guys. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. I would really much appreciate that. But come back on the next one, you guys. I'm gonna have some welding, putting all those tanks together, so it's gonna be fun. But yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, you be safe, be well. I'm sending you my love. Peace out.